Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a brand new limited edition for you and it is from Lookfantastic and it's the Beauty Icons edit. It contains 9 beauty products. It has a value of £230 and can be bought for £65. If you are a subscriber to the Lookfantastic monthly beauty box, then you'll be able to get a 15% discount. I will link this down below in my description, and all Lookfantastic's other beauty offers and limited editions, you'll find it all listed down there. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. It's really heavy. Give you a sneak peek. First up, we've got a hair care product. This is by Christoph Robin. It's a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. It's a soothing detox treatment shampoo. There's 250 mils there. So a big pot. This was featured in the Lookfantastic Christoph Robin edit. All Christoph Robin products in that box. So yeah, it feels really odd on your hair. It stimulates your scalp for a really great detox. It smells nice as well. So there's that. Then we've got ELEMIS. ELEMIS Pro Collagen. And this is the marine cream with SPF 30. And there's 30 mils in here. I love this cream. Oh, I've just been a huge fan of this cream for years. It is on the pricey side. So whenever I get it in beauty boxes, I'm really chuffed. I love the fact that this one's got SPF 30 in it. So just that added protection on my skin as well. But yeah, it just leaves my skin feeling nice and soft. So there's that. Then we've got NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush in shade Orgasm. I'm excited about this. I love the Orgasm shade anyway, but I haven't tried this before. Look at that, look at that. Right, let's try a bit on my hand there. I always put too much, as always. And then let's blend it out. It's really pretty, isn't it? Can you see? It's just got a very slight sort of dewy, shimmery illumination to it. Yeah, it's pretty. We got some fake tan from Body Sands, and this is self-tanning foam in dark, and it's salon quality, coconut scent, and there's 200 mils here. So obviously another full-size product. I'll have a look through to see, are they all full size? I think they all are, you know. Oh, besides 1 or 2, everything else is full size. One of my favourite tanning brands. I've been using Body Sands for years and years and years, and I particularly like the dark as well. I'm really pale naturally. I tend to use gradual tanning sprays, drops, so I might not look as pale, but yeah, you could probably tell the difference between my face and my arms there. But even though it says dark, on me, it's not that dark, not really. Plus, you don't have to leave it on as long. I leave it on overnight, so I get a full 8-9 hours. So you got a fake tan. We've got La Roche-Posay, and this is Anthelios Oil Correct. It visibly reduces pores, corrects imperfections. This sounds really great. 12-hour mattifying finish, SPF 50+. And yes, a photo correction daily gel cream. Oh, I don't think I've tried this. It rings a bell. I'm wondering if I had a sample of it recently, but I've yet to use it. The new generation of sun care that protects from photoaging induced by daily sun exposure and helps to correct by reducing the appearance of imperfections. This sounds so good. My face is full of imperfections. I've got large pores. I've got scars. I've got dents. I've got lumps. Oh, yeah. It just sounds really good, doesn't it? So it's mattifying, corrects imperfections. I love La Roche-Posay anyway, so yeah, I can't wait to give that a go. See if it does hide all my imperfections. Then we got a little mini. It says Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm actually wearing it on my face today, or tonight. I'm going out. Going out for a meal to celebrate a family member's birthday. But yeah, this is a little one, a little sample maybe, or is it a little travel size? I don't think you can buy them at this size. I think the ones you can buy is like 15 mils, and then you've got the larger ones. This is brilliant. I actually like this size because it's easy to pop in my handbag, easy to take away with me for a night away or something. But yeah, it's another staple of mine that I've been using for years and years. It's super hydrating for the skin, makes my makeup last all day. It's just really nice. It's really, really nice setting spray. Then we've got the ELEMIS. This is niacinamide serum formulated for all, and it helps to control excess oil and reduces the appearance of redness. This is full size. It's a treat and can be used AM and PM. So yeah, we've got a niacinamide serum there from the ELEMIS. I've just spotted this, I didn't see it earlier on, but we have got Lancome. This is Advanced Genifique. This is a youth activating concentrate, and there's 7 mils here, and this is a serum for your face. So you've got serum. And then the last item in the box is Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Nice big pot as well. When we usually get Sol de Janeiro in our beauty boxes, we usually get a smaller little pot than this. Occasionally we might get a large one, but no, it's a nice size, this one. But what is it? Is it like, does it say? 75 mils. It says fast absorbing body cream, helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. Made with all-powerful guarana extract. It smells gorgeous. The whole, oh, Sol de Janeiro is just such a beautiful brand. They do the most amazing products. So, no, it's a nice size body cream there. And that is it. And I've just found as well, it's all underneath these worms. I found there's a QR code. So if you were to buy this box for yourself, you have to scan this QR code, then it'll bring up all the information about the products if you want to learn more about them. There's 9 products in total. It has a value of £230 and it can be bought for £65 or whatever 15% off that is if you are a subscriber. My maths isn't that great. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this edit? Are you going to buy it, or are you thinking, nah, do you know what, it's not for me this time? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.